so hard to film this. So guys, you guys can see I have my little earbuds on. So what I'm gonna do today is actually go and mail some package for work. And this is like my small mask. I hate this mask. But I have some packages I have to go mail out. And after that, we're gonna work out. That's why I have my little earbuds. Actually, I have a few packages today. So, I'll give you guys see my address. I have a few things today. Nothing much. 3 packages. One is big, but the other are quite small. So, we're gonna go in. Good morning. No problem. You guys are actually pretty fast. So, we're fine. And this guy. All right, thank you. You too. Have a great day. Right. Okay, better. It's officially running time. So it is. I'm happy. It's like sunny this morning. So I'm gonna go and get a really nice walk. I just went to the post office. I changed this, guys, because this mask is a lot easier to breathe in. I want to go running instead of me wearing my other mask. That loud noise in the back, always going on. So it's Monday morning. I expected to be less people out here. It's not too many people, but I am a little bit late coming out. But it feels amazing. It's nice. It's not cold. It's not hot. Perfect going out weather right now. And I'm gonna get some walking done. working out, guys, I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance. I'm gonna do a little bit of hair care. Now, if you guys see my videos, I made this little serum. I made this for my edges because they need a little bit more help. Because I was running out of oils, I don't have time to make any right now. So I went to the store. When I was out, I got this guy from Burlington. I was looking for castor oil, but look at this. This is a Jamaican black castor oil, but it is for moisture and growth. It comes with argan oil. So I'm excited to see it, and it's super thick. It's not like it's different. So I have my other brush, guys. It's super old, so I decided I needed to get a new one. I got this a while ago, actually. I just haven't used it yet. So I thought, why not use it today? All right, this is Salavi. It's a pretty full bristle brush. I like it. And so you guys, I get soft bristles. Try to get like super soft bristles when you get it. Like you can touch it like this. Let's get to it. I already have leave-in and my shea butter. This is a OK. I know you guys see me buy this in the past. This is the OK brand. Their things are pretty good usually. I've gotten shea butter. I don't know what it smells like, to be honest. So let's see. It's like a little purplish color. This makes my hair feels super soft, actually, putting this on. I don't know if you guys do this, if you brush your hair. I told you guys a while ago, brushing my hair, it really helps. If I brush my hair and then I go ahead and comb it, it helps to get rid of so much tangles before I actually detangle it, which helps so much with breakage. So guys, I actually went to apply oil with, I went to apply the oil with off camera, but this is, I separated everything so I could get it all in. It smells, I don't know how to say it smell, to be honest. It smells like, this is how much I use. It's like right here. Oh, you guys can see that. Put it all over my hair. It smells different. Doesn't smell bad. It doesn't have that strong castor oil smell, but in a good way because it does have argan oil on it. And the best thing I like about this is, let me show you guys the ingredients. It's just literally castor oil and argan oil. That's it. I think you guys can see this. Okay, here you go. But that's really the ingredients. And I put it on. My hair actually feels quite moisturizing. Usually argan oil is so expensive to buy by itself, but this was not bad. I got this at Burlington for $6, guys. So one of my favorite stores for everything. Like, you can find so much stuff at Burlington for like no money. When I go to stores, guys, if it doesn't have a red tag, most of the time, there are things that are actually pretty cheap. If you go there, just buy them. I like that my hair is actually growing back. I can make a side pony on it. Just need to work on these edges. It reminds me, it's most likely a time I do a trim on these ends. See how you can like see through some of them. Let's see. Okay, like where you can actually like see through. I think I'm gonna cut these, but I only cut my hair during a certain time of the year. That's cool. So I know my hair is pretty growing. It's doing pretty decent. Trying to get it to keep going growing. So I thought I'd go grab some castor oil for the winter month. Winter months are usually great to put the heavier oils and butters. Like I have a lot of shea butter on it. And now I'm putting all this castor oil. So that way, doing this so I can have access to it later in the week, guys. Usually my hair would be in smaller twists. Since I'm working out more, I'm getting a chance to work out more, I want it to be easily accessible where I can put product in, but as well as I can actually take it out pretty easy and do it. I don't know if you guys do this whenever I braid my hair. If I'm doing regular braids, I will twist the ends so I don't have to deal with any of it breaking on me when I do it. It's a bad braid. But this way you can still braid the, like when you first start out the braids, you do a regular braid, but towards the end, you actually, you make it into a, you do a twist instead of a braid. And that's it, guys. Pretty much how I did this. My hair feels really nice. If you see it's coming out like this, I didn't do such a good job. Go back and twist it. Sometimes, to be honest, I'm in a hurry. I don't really pay attention on those from some braids. But if you don't want it to unravel, make sure you go back and twist it. And yeah, your braid's done. Of course, guys, what I do is I go ahead and tuck these in to save my back. to save my ends, I always go ahead and tuck them in after I do the braids. You can leave them out if you're doing it more for a style, but I'm going to be putting my hair away. I'm not leaving it out. You guys, when I say I'm putting my hair away, I mean it's going all the way away. So after I do this, let's do this. When you're putting a scarf on, I try to remember this. Don't make it too tight. Make your scarf loose around your edges. I've learned to not do this, so that way my edges can stay pretty well. It doesn't put pressure on your edges. Make sure you do that so you don't add any pressure. And that's it, guys. So the workout done. I put some much needed oil on my scalp. Feels better now. It's not itchy. And I'm gonna go eat something.